Hello, Shenseea. I see they putting you on the front of the star again. They saying we're together, but you need to tell people we're just best friends. Oh my God, jolly.
It's Mouta Massi, bringing you the latest happenings in dancehall and reggae music. Thousands of music fans were left angry and disappointed after popular dancehall artist Busy Signal was removed from the stage at the annual Groovin in the Park at the Roy Wilkins Park in Queens, New York on Sunday evening. The incident occurred midway through what, up to that time, was easily the best of the reggae acts on the show, as the young artist had the crowd on its feet in a scintillating performance. No official reason was given for the action. There were, however, unconfirmed reports that the incident stemmed from police concerns about the time factor. However, a senior New York Police Department officer said they had nothing to do with it. Just before his microphone was disconnected, an obviously disappointed Busy Signal told his fans that them trying to cut me time. This is the first time me perform in New York and I come to entertain. He said to applause from his fans. He said that he had been waiting backstage since 3:30 p.m. but was brought on long after the 5 p.m. time stipulated in his contract. As he tried to continue, his microphone was cut off as security personnel moved in and removed him from the stage. The vast crowd reacted with boos, and MC Ras' claim of Groovin Radio pleaded for understanding. The angry throng was not impressed. However, as they took out their frustration by booing representatives from a number of companies which handed out prizes, though they had nothing to do with the incident. Apart from the incident, the first of its kind since the show began 7 years ago, this year's show lived up to its billing. The performances from acts Taurus Riley, U. Roy, Ken Booth, Leroy Sibbles, Freddie McGregor, and Carlene Davis were all satisfying.
If me can't perform, R. Kelly can't perform neither.
I absolutely have nothing to do with who comes on first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. I just thank God for the talent that He has given me to be able to give y'all music for 30 years. It's a blessing, and I love y'all so much whether you support it or not.
Well. Them promoter here, trust me, they're not easy. They're not easy none at all. Well, based on what we see on social media is that them cut Busy Signal performance short to accommodate R. Kelly. And enough people that say R. Kelly performance just drawn out and boring. You know, they would have prefer to see Busy Signal, but hey, the promoter them do what them do, even though the crowd was displeased. As a matter of fact, when Busy did come off the stage, him and say, yo, if him can't perform, R. Kelly can't perform either. So I said to myself, wow, how Busy I can do him, I can bother people them. But nothing, I didn't see him do nothing. R. Kelly still performs, so I don't know why he did say that or whatever. But I understand he feel hurt, and these promoters need to go on better. You understand me? Especially Busy, for Busy Signal, because he was incarcerated and I first real big show in the US. So you know, saying they really look forward to entertain me. Know say in practice and you know get to showcase his catalog. So of course, for me, I'm Busy mother upset too. I've made a night crowd mother say I want back my money. Just like how me hear some of the fans them are going. They want back their money, them boo, them do everything. So you know, so then they really and truly want to see Busy Signal perform. Why not a years? Some of them probably wait for him for years to perform, and then you come do this. then promoter you need to be more professional, like seriously. When a time for somebody else perform, a time for them perform, so you need to start regulate with whosoever else they on the stage. Right? And you cannot do this, not because R. Kelly is a big brand name in a music. That no means that Busy fans never buy them ticket for come see Busy perform. And they spend their money, so you have to please them too. That's just what I think. I lucky or no lucky, and then get some backlog there. Yeah, lucky or no lucky. You see me, lucky is not a sting crowd. I bet you don't want to make the mistake again. So anyways, people, let me know what you think. The promoter them pass them place or what? Isn't me? So me feel. They wrong if you come pull out team mic and all of these things. They well wrong bang up. So hit me up in the comment section. Like the video, please remember to share the video. I'm Mouta Massi. I'm gone.
So, me and you say they want cut the performance now. I sat around here and I listen to everybody perform and I respect the one of the elders them and everything. See? Anyway, I tell you a big up himself, but around you from early youth. Because I'm in first time. Lovely I'm talking to you. Lovely. I don't want to enjoy you neither. Because them to overstand say, yo, no one of this my first time here to perform. Don't try to contest my time here to perform. See? We have a contract. Chris and Joe, we have a contract. So one of us line up on the show spot artists work on them time. Because they are from early. Busy signal contract says 5 p.m. Performance start. Me not try to play back the Jamaica love, you know. Every flag rise up now. You want my flag, everyone sign up. Every flag rise up, you know. New York, stop giving me visa. Stop giving me visa. I can't keep moving with all the inside. What's up, the young blood? I don't know. The protection of the car. So it's on the street. We're not on the money. Jumping like the river when we run the creepy. The white shall find me up. I'm in the ground and feel the right brother. What's up? Oh no, I know represent the people of Jamaica. But Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love. We wanna see Jamaica. Oh yes, yes. The one I represent the people of Jamaica. What on it? New York, you think it's fear? No! You think it's fear? No! Because Mr. Willie for Pitney there. You know me myself, me about 15 Pitney in our crowd. And me don't want cut the performance time, Sean. I want to perform for the people, it's my first time. Right now we are hungry to perform. See? One of the things that come away. No time. Here is. If we can't perform, I'm going to kill perform right now.